Hey creative minds, welcome to episode 9, and for this episode it's going to be very short. I am just only going to be teaching you how to add chains to our necklace or bracelet. Okay, this particular method, you can use it to add chains on your necklace, the same thing to your bracelet. Okay, it is not hard. So guys, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. It helps the channel a lot and it's going to help me and encourage me, to bring out more videos and teach you guys more. This is the chain we're going to be using today. Trust me guys, they're different chains, so you can easily get them from the market. Okay, so guys, we're going to be using our chain nose plier and our round nose plier. Today we are not using our cutter. We're not using our cutter. So what we want to do is that we just want to add that. That's why the video is going to be very short and detailed. So I advise you to look into this. Okay, have a close look and just learn, because it's not difficult, trust me. So guys, we're going to be opening our chain hook. You guys know I already told you how to make a pearl necklace, okay, and I taught you how to add the necklace hook. So guys, I'm going to just zoom this in very soon and I'm going to show you guys. Yes, I have already zoomed it in, like I said. So we are going to be adding the chain here. Okay, you're not going to be adding it to this other side, you're going to be adding it to this other side. Okay, because obviously you use this other part to just hook any chain. Okay, so I know a lot of people will be asking, oh, why is it necessary to add a chain to a necklace or a bracelet? It's necessary because every jewelry and every vendor or bead maker always had chains to their necklace, to their bracelets. Okay, that's why we're adding the chain. All right, we always add it because when you're making beads for clients or jewelry for clients, you don't know how big their neck is or how big their hand is. So the chain is to make sure it fits in anybody. Okay, it fits in anybody, so that when the chain is smaller or bigger, when their hand is smaller or bigger, the chain can do the right work. So guys, you don't need to cut too much chain. Okay, they sell different chains in the market. I'm using this one because this is the one I have left. Okay, I'm going to restock more. They sell different chains, trust me. Okay, what we are going to do right now is that we're going to use our round nose plier and our chain nose plier to open this up. Trust me, every chain has this mouth, just like your jump spring. Okay, they have the mouth that you can open up. Okay, so all we need to do is just open this up and add it to the right place we're supposed to add it. It is very simple. Guys, if you're still watching to this point, you've not liked, you've not commented, you've not subscribed, my brother and my sister, daddy and mommy, please do so to encourage this channel. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you. So right now guys, like I said, like you all know, this is the same method we used to open our jump spring, right? So it's just the same method we're going to use. Okay, it wasn't difficult. My hand kind of slipped, that's why you saw that in the video. This video was unedited, it was just put like that. It was not edited at all, so I'm showing you straight as it is, like I always do. Okay, so I open it up, and the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add it to that part where I said we're going to add it. Just add it. Okay, don't be scared. All right, don't be scared. I'm gonna show you. Relax, I'm gonna show you. So all you need to do is to add it at that end point. Okay, remember the beginning of this part, this side of the hook, we already had our jump spring here to secure our knots, right? You're going to add it to the other side. Just remember, use your jump spring at one side and then you use the chain at the other side. Okay, so guys, simple and short, you close it just like that. Okay, now you have your chain on your jewelry. Yay, you have it on your jewelry, and then you're just going to carry this and just see how I'm going to clip it to the chain I just added. You see, it's that simple. Okay, it's not difficult at all. That's why this particular video is short. Okay, it's not difficult, and there you have it. There you see it, simple, short. Okay, please guys, if you are watching to this moment, make sure to comment, please like and subscribe. It's going to help the channel a lot. Okay, and thank you so much guys for watching this. I want to see you guys making this attempt on your jewelry. Okay, so guys, I will see you on episode 10 when we take it to the next level of making another kind of jewelry. Okay, so guys, bye creative mind.